In the whimsical world of DIY dreams, a group of imaginative builders embarked on a grandiose journey to construct a water park villa adorned with 3 dazzling water slides, all crafted with the mesmerizing allure of magnet balls. Join us on this captivating ASMR adventure, where every magnetic connection weaves a tale of aquatic splendor, creativity, and relaxation. The tale began with the careful selection of magnetic spheres, each one a tiny building block in the grand design of the aquatic wonderland. The builders envisioned not just a water park and villa, but a symphony of slides and pools that would evoke joy and excitement. As the magnetic balls clicked and connected, a harmonious rhythm emerged, setting the stage for a story where every connection echoed with the promise of aquatic enchantment. The first chapter unfolded with the construction of a water park villa, a vibrant sanctuary designed to be a haven of joy. Transparent walls, formed by the magnetic spheres, allow the builders to peer into the shimmering pool within. The builders marveled at how the villa seemed to embody relaxation and playfulness, a testament to the harmonious dance between human ingenuity and the magnetic magic. With the water park villa standing as a testament to their creative prowess, attention turned to the 3 water slides, an aquatic trio that would enhance the playful atmosphere. Each slide was meticulously designed, with twists and turns crafted to provide a thrilling journey into the refreshing waters below. The builders envisioned a water park where the magnetic allure would harmonize with the soothing sounds of flowing water, creating an immersive experience that celebrated the spirit of play. As the water slides took shape and the pool sparkled, the builders reveled in the immersive symphony of construction. The ASMR experience heightened the joy, as magnetic clicks and soothing sounds provided a therapeutic backdrop, echoing the tranquility of flowing water and the excitement of creation. The grand reveal marked a moment of aquatic triumph. The water park villa with its 3 water slides stood as a testament to the limitless possibilities when creativity met magnetic magic. The comments section overflowed with admiration, viewers expressing the seamless blend of innovation, architectural elegance, and the immersive sound that enveloped the DIY sanctuary. In the heart of this aquatic wonderland, the builders reveled in the joy of having not just constructed a water park and villa, but having woven a narrative where joy and relaxation converged. The water park villa with 3 water slides became more than a project. It was a symbol of the extraordinary joy that emerges when imagination takes a plunge into the magical waters of DIY creation. And so, in the realm of DIY dreams, the saga of the ASMR video featuring a water park villa and 3 water slides from magnet balls endured as a celebration of ingenuity and the immersive magic of magnetic spheres. The builders cherished the memory of crafting not just an aquatic wonderland, but a story where the joy of creation flowed as freely as the waters in their vibrant, water-themed oasis.